bag. Today we're opening Shopkins Wild Styles. We have a big stack of them. So first we're gonna open this one. Let's get started.
She's hoping to get new ones. She really wants the unicorn. Unicorn's the elusive limited edition.
Yay!
This guy right here. So hope for Aria that she gets what she wants.
Okay. I'll get opening these style pet.
She likes trying to peek in the back to see what she's getting in the bag. And she got the kitty, it looks like.
A bow with a strawberry heart. And this might be a doggy giraffe.
I think it's a kitty cat, actually. The pods are really cute. You could really reuse these.
It's so cute.
So this series is very different.
Ooh, it's a shoe.
It's a shoe? They're calling them tribes. Each shopping has her own tribe. So she got the heel and a heart. So each one's a little different. Some of them have hidden treasures inside.
Okay, now we'll go open this one.
Number 2.
Wild Styles.
So
I used to love these Wild Styles.
the wild styles are pretty cool. I'll show you the checklist. The checklist is pretty awesome.
Yeah! You can get all the kinds of Shopkins. They always come with knuckle checklist in the box. Here who it is.
She is from the
Whoa!
She's from the Flocked and Fluffy tribe.
Oh, this one's squishy.
And that is the unique thing about these.
No, it's squishy.
Oh man, he is squishy. So they have hidden hearts, they have rainbow, they have glitz, they have color change, fluffy, gem, shimmery, frozen, sticker wrap, squishy, and translucent.
Oh, teapot.
And then she got lovely heart teapot.
Bees. Bye-bye.
So yeah, he's squishy.
Now it's tear it apart.
Which one next? Which one do you want to do next? This one? Alright, so we have 4 more chances to get that elusive unicorn.
Baby. No blue ammo. What kind of is this?
From the hooves, it looks like the moo moo. What makes moo?
Moo. A cow.
It looks like it's from the Dairy Wrap tribe.
Ah!
It is. So there he is, or she is. They're really cute. There you go. Open them up. What is this one?
Ooh.
Oh my goodness, this has to be from the Translucent tribe. That one looks like Zippy Lime Bag. Yeah, Lime Bag. That's kind of a weird name. There she is, completely see-through. Oh, it's one of the glitzy ones.
Glitzy. And it's a puss.
She got Missy makeup case. Okay, what next? Which one's gonna be the lucky one? Think this one's it?
Yeah. We'll go bam and open.
Okay. I have no idea. Maybe it's a bear?
It's a cat.
It's a bear. I think it's a bear. It's got a bear tail. Roar. We'll say roar is the noise.
Ooh.
She got another one from the glitzy guys. Or the Glitz Dancer tribe. This one looks like the Marabella music player.
Ooh. It has a sequin gem on his forehead.
That is pretty cool. He has a gem on him.
Yeah.
So she thinks that's pretty neat.
I think I know who this is.
This is Rowena Ringbox.
So sad we didn't get the unicorn.
All right, next box.
So sorry we didn't get my unicorn.
We have 2 more chances.
2 more chances.
Alright, this one's a pretty red color. Oh, this one goes eek, eek, eek. Or
What?
maybe it's meow, meow, meow. Let's open it up and see. I think it's either a mouse or a cat. It's another cat.
Meow.
This one's part of the
Did
glitz.
we get 2 cats?
We've got 2 cats. This one and this one. Or maybe this is a mouse. No, this is a mouse. It's got mouse teeth. Mouse teeth. This is part of the hidden heart tribe. All right, open those up. See what you get.
Choose the tennis.
It fell out. Sorry.
Where's that one?
So this is the rainbow one she got. She got Lolly Jar. What'd you get in yours? Oh, it's a bow. That's part of the Glitz Dancer tribe. It's a little Bow Bella. So there is little Bow Bella. She's very shiny.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna roll it into you. Woo! That's a growl, growl, growl one.
What makes growl?
I think this is the polar bear.
Ah! Lost our chances. He is happy!
He is very happy looking. He's very cute actually. He's doing a little winky face. There's his little tail. Alright, who do we get?
A piano.
Oh, this is another one from the Glitzy tribe. And this one is Keely Keyboard.
Squishy.
I don't think it's really squishy.
So squishy.
And this one, Marcy Heart Mug. And this one, they all have a hidden surprise in the heart and seeker tribe. A little conversation heart pops out. It says, "You rock."
Can I look at it? Look.
And then she also got this one. This is Kaylee Keyboard. It's nice and shimmery. I don't know if you can tell.
Bottom has surprise. It's crazy. And it's a little hot. And you stick it back in like this. And you want to save the light up. And here it is.
You can go up there with Kaylee Keyboard. Alright, now it's time to pick our favorite. Who is your
My
favorite?
favorite is Squishy Toast and this one.
The translucent? Alright, my favorite is gotta be the heart mug. I like the ones that have hidden surprises
Yeah,
as
and I like
series.
that one too.
Yeah, you like season 9 surprises?
And I like all of them.
She likes all of them. But comment below and let her know which one's your favorite. Is it the Squishy Toast? Or is it one of the other ones?
Or all of them.
Or all of them?
Or you like the mug, or the keyboard, or you like the mug, or the keyboard, or the bow, or the can, or the purse, or this purse. Mom, is something hidden?
No, only the mug had something hidden.
Ah! I like
Or actually, no, you're right. She's right. The hard box does have something hidden in it. We forgot to show you that. So inside of Lovely handbag, she had a You Rock as well, stuffed in her side and her feet. And she's opening Lovely Heart Teapot.
And this one says
BFF. And so inside of her teapot is the BFF heart. Ta-da! And you just put it back in. And you put the top back on. So the heart and seeker tribe is probably my fave. Yeah, Dad, we're having a hard time getting the hearts out of their butts.
that's stolen.
Alright, Mommy, you can't get this one out of here.
Oh wait. I am never gonna open this again.
Alright, there you go.
I can't sit down.
Okay, so comment below and let Aria know which one your favorite is.
The one that has the hearts,
Aria's favorite is the squishy
toast,
the
and this
squishy
one.
toast. Okay. And the translucent one. She likes them all, really.
Yeah.
I like all the ones with the hidden secrets in.
Yep, I like those too.
So these are the checklist of all the tribes. The exclusive limited edition.
Comment below and tell me what Shopkins your favorite. Bye guys. Thumbs up and like and subscribe.